Hello everyone, welcome to Math Vibes. In our series of congruence of triangles, this is our part 5 in which we are going to discuss about RHS congruence rule. Till now in part 1 you have learned about the congruence of angles, congruence of different objects, etc. Right, congruence of line segments. In part 2 you have learned about SSS rule followed by SAS and then ASA rule, right? So today in this video we will learn in detail about RHS congruence rule, that what it is and how it is calculated. With the help of this you will also be able to try these on page number 148 of class 7. Okay, and in later on also in all the classes this rule will help you to solve the sums. Let's move on, and those who are new to our channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So first of all, let's see what is RHS criteria for congruence of triangles. Okay, hota kya hai RHS criteria? Because till now we have done SAS and all that rules in which S means side and A means angle. Now RHS rule will mean, let's see, if under a correspondence the hypotenuse and one side of right angle triangle are respectively equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another right angle triangle, then the triangles are congruent. And this is called RHS congruence rule. मतलब एक right angle triangle you all know which makes an angle of 90 degree, और 90 degree के सामने जो side होती है वो hypotenuse होती है, right? और तो अगर किन्हीं दो triangle में, okay, obviously 90 degree angle will be there, okay, along with 90 degree angle, अगर उनकी hypotenuse same है और बाकी बची दोनों साइड्स में से अगर कोई भी साइड एक साइड दूसरी साइड के इक्वल है, then we will say that they are congruent by RHS rule. Okay, and this will also be known as RHS congruence rule. Moving, in such triangles, obviously the right angles are equal, so the congruence criteria becomes easy. But if you have this type of a triangle ABC which is right angled at C, then can you draw a triangle ABC with angle B as 90 degree if only BC is known? No, it won't be possible. Only angle C is known? No, again this also won't be possible, because to draw even angle C is known to you, angle B is known to you, you need to know any one side to draw a triangle, right? Angle A and angle C are known? No, because if we know all the three angles of a triangle and if we don't know any side, then how will we draw it, right? AB and BC are known? Again, no, it won't be possible. But if we know AC and any one of the sides AB or BC and angle B is equal to 90 degrees, then yes, it will be possible to draw a right angled triangle ABC. Okay. Now here is a question for you. Then by applying RHS congruence rule, you want to establish that the given two triangles are congruent. It is given that PQ is equal to PR and angle POQ is equal to angle POR and it is 90 degrees. Now what additional information is required to establish the congruence? Now we have already learned that RHS congruence rule means first R is right angled triangle, then H is hypotenuse, then S is any one side. Okay, so now I have to make these two triangle equal, right? Congruent, this and this one, right? PQO and PRO. Now I need three conditions. The first one is right angle triangle. So here they are right angle triangle. So angle POQ is equal to angle POR. It is already given over here. Second, I need to make hypotenuse equal. Hypotenuse we know it is right angle के बिल्कुल सामने जो side हो, that is called hypotenuse. So here we know that PQ is equal to PR. Okay. Third is any one side should be equal. Now the remaining two sides are QO and RO and PO, right? But I cannot on my own say that QO is equal to RO because I don't know whether O is a midpoint or not. Nothing is given in this question. But I can easily say that PO is equal to PO because it is common. Okay, PO is equal to PO because it is common. Alright, so the third additional information which will be required is line segment PO is equal to line segment PO. Easy, right? Let's move ahead. Now RHS criteria for congruence of triangles. Now there are two triangles CAT and BUG. Okay, so we want to prove that the triangle CAT is congruent to triangle BUG. Let's see how. See over here, if you notice, then first is RHS rule again. Okay, so R right angle is equal to right angle B is equal to angle Q, H hypotenuse, AC is equal to PR, it is given, and third any one side. So here this side is given to be equal. So BC is equal to QR. So we have all these three conditions, right? So that means yes, RHS congruence rule holds. So let's learn if we have to write it in the form of a question, then how will we do it? Suppose we want to prove the given congruence that triangle CAT is congruent to triangle BUG. Then how will we do it? First of all, we will write this one. Okay, this line that in triangle CAT and BUG. Then after this, we will write angle B is equal to angle Q, each 90 degrees. See, remember it is RHS rule. Again, first condition you should write right angle, then you should write hypotenuse, then you should write any one side. Okay, so angle B is equal to angle Q, each 90 degree. Second, AC is equal to PR given. Okay, AC is equal to PR given, then BC is equal to QR given. So that means all the three conditions are fulfilled. So triangle CAT will be congruent to triangle BUG. By which rule? By RHS rule. Okay. By applying RHS congruence rule, you have to state that whether the given triangles are congruent or not. Then first step will be in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, angle B will be equal to angle Y. RHS rule. So first our right angle condition. Okay. So angle B is equal to angle Y. Then hypotenuse should be equal. And here the hypotenuse is AC and here the hypotenuse is XZ. So line segment AC is equal to line segment XZ. The third condition, BC is equal to YZ. So BC is equal to YZ. So these two are equal. So all the three conditions are fulfilled. So yes, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ by RHS rule. Now here comes the next question in which you again have to apply the RHS congruence rule and you have to state that whether the triangles are congruent or not. Let us see what we do in these type of questions when the cuts are not made on the figures, instead measurements are given. Okay, here measurements are given, cuts are not given. Okay, so in triangle ACB and BDA, okay, ACB and BDA, what do we do here? First condition should be angle C is equal to angle D, each 90 degree. Alright, angle C is equal to angle D, each 90 degree. AB is equal to AB, common. Okay, it is common side and it is also each 3.5 centimeter. So you can write either of the condition, you can reason, either you can write each 3.5 centimeter or you can write common. Alright, second is hypotenuse, and opposite of 90 degree is this side only, AB. Okay, the third one is AC is equal to BD, each 2 centimeter. Okay, each 2 centimeter. So yes, we can say that the two triangles are congruent by RHS rule. Alright, by RHS rule. Now, next question is, again you have to apply the RHS condition or RHS rule, and you have to state whether these two triangles are congruent or not. I hope you have learnt how to write it till now. So I would suggest you to pause the video, open your notebooks, write down the conditions on your own, and then again unpause the video, play it and match your answer. Okay, if you want to learn it better. Alright. So the answer should be, in triangle YXZ. See, the name of the triangle can differ, okay? In triangle YXZ and RQP, first condition is right angle. So angle X is equal to angle Q, each 90 degree. Second condition should be hypotenuse. So you should write YZ is equal to RP, okay? Then reason is given. The third one is xz is equal to qp, given. Okay, so by RHS rule we can say that triangle YXZ is congruent to triangle RQP. Alright, I hope you have got the correct answer. I hope you have written it like this only. See, in place of writing the name of the triangle as YXZ, you can write XYZ also. But then the other triangle should be QRP. Okay. So moving on, in the next question, again check out that whether they are congruent or not. Okay, now see, the figure is so different. Okay, but in this figure also there are two triangles. So you can write in triangle RPS and QPS. RPS and QPS, first right angle. So RSP should be equal to QSP, each 90 degree. Okay, the second condition is hypotenuse, and here opposite to 90 degree is this side and opposite to 90 degree is this side. So we will write RP is equal to QP, each 7.8 centimeter. Okay, RP is equal to QP, each 7.8 centimeter. Third condition is PS is equal to PS common. Okay, PS is equal to PS common. So yes, by all these three conditions we can say that the given triangles are congruent by RHS congruence rule. Alright, so this was about the last congruence rule, RHS rule. Hope you have learned a lot from all this series. Okay, we will continue to make videos on this series in which we will discuss that why the other congruence conditions, that is SSA or ASS or AAA or the other conditions, does not hold, why we only have these four conditions. But I will post the videos after taking a long break in this series. Okay, so I hope you have learned from it. If you have, then don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and you can visit our channel also to watch more videos. Bye, happy learning, take care.